I wanted to tell you guys about the price range and everything because I'm getting a lot of questions about that. Hi guys, what's up? I'm talking to you after so long. And you know what, I honestly feel like every time I talk to you कि मैं अपने बस एक पुराने दोस्तों को ना अपडेट्स दे रही हूँ कि मेरी लाइफ में अभी तक क्या हो रहा है. And I think पहली बार मैंने इतनी प्रेजेंटेबल होकर वीडियो अपनी स्टार्ट की, but that's because your girl's a working girl now. I have to look presentable. I have to be ready for a meeting whenever, you know, कभी भी कॉल आ जाता है, मैम कैन वी डू अ कॉल, I'm like yeah sure. और मैं हमेशा अपने वो टी शर्ट्स तो पहन नहीं सकती जिस पे कंट या कुछ लिखा, तो I'm just like yeah okay we'll do a call, which is why today we have to go shopping and I have to buy a lot of formal things to wear क्योंकि ऐसे तो काम नहीं चल रहा है. ये मैं अपने मम्मी और भाई और सबकी शर्ट्स पहन लेती हूँ, although I like oversized shirts and all, but maybe I should own some too, you know. Before we leave, I have to show you guys how I pack my Hi Matcha orders because we have started receiving orders, guys. I am so happy. By the way, this is my matcha. I have so many things to tell you guys. You have no idea. तो अभी पहले बैठ के एक order pack करते हैं and then we'll go. कितने कुत्ते भौंक रहे हैं यार बैकग्राउंड में. लाइटिंग अच्छी आ रही है ना मेरे कमरे में. Anyway, I want to tell you guys that I am packing every order with my own hands, and of course I have help from Janvi, who is our Hi Matcha team member. And another thing I wanted you guys to know is that अगर आपको कोई भी queries हो, like you know, even before buying or whatever, you just want to ask how it works or anything before we launch our website, क्योंकि website पे तो सब होगा. So you can text us on Hi Matcha official. I will link the Instagram below in the description. And so many of you guys have been placing the orders, and you have no idea how much that means to me. You know, like I personally want. कितना भौंकेगा यार ये कुत्ता. You have no idea, you know, this means the world to me. Anyway, so right now we have an order for the ceremonial grade matcha, and अब we have two options. ठीक है, मैं आपको सब बताती हूँ क्योंकि Instagram पे तो मैं इतना बोल नहीं पाती. Airtight. Okay, so we had two options. Number one कि मैं इसमें matcha भर दूँ, and because it's airtight so we didn't need a cover. But then I was like wait. If you guys are buying it and you are my audience, तो मेरे से तो ये ऐसे उछल के गिर जाए, तो it's quite possible कि आप लोगों से भी गिरे. So what we do is that now we have our matcha in these pouches and we put these pouches inside this box. Put it in this. उसके बाद we put this ढक्कन and shut it. It's airtight and ready. Number two, I take bubble wrap because so much love and effort has gone into this tin. It's crazy that now this is going to be in everyone's houses. I just cannot personally believe it. I wanted to tell you guys about the price range and everything because I'm getting a lot of questions about that. So we are selling the premium grade matcha at $6.99 and we are selling the ceremonial grade matcha at $9.99. Now I want to tell you guys what's the difference between premium grade and ceremonial grade. Basically it's the same thing except that ceremonial is more new, like ceremonial is more fresh leaves and premium they use slightly older leaves. Either ways, both of those you can use for your matchas, like your matcha latte, strawberry matcha, anything and everything that you want. Also you should follow our page because I will be posting a lot of tasty matcha recipes. Okay, so the next thing is that we are selling 30 grams of matcha. 30 grams में you will get 20 to 25 servings. We've mentioned all the directions on the tin, so we light कर जैसे दिख नहीं रहा है, but we've mentioned all of it over here, so you can obviously read it there and you can contact us anytime whenever you have any query regarding कैसे बनाना है, क्या milk use करना है, every single thing we're available to you. You know, I personally feel like I'm giving birth. Like I'm not lying. It's like मैं अपने बच्चे को ना डे केयर पे भेज रही हूँ किसी और के घर because the amount of effort I've put in this is unreal, guys. Like आप लोगों ने देखा है कि मैं हर बार जाके इधर कभी कोई फोटो शूट करा रही हूँ, कभी सदर बाजार जा रही हूँ, कभी ये कर रही हूँ, कभी वो कर रही हूँ, और अब फाइनली ये सबके घरों में पहुँच रहा है, which is I don't know, it just does something to me. So this is our tin after it's all bubble wrapped. फिर we have this corrugated boxes and इसमें हम अपना tin डाल देंगे. Next thing that I'm doing, which I think is a nice personal touch, is that we have these thank you cards. Isme we've written a little bit, and then we also have our Instagram at the back. If you want, you can scan it right now, so I'll wait. And I'm personally signing all of these because obviously I have to. Yeah, so this is what's been up, guys. हर दिन 6-6 घंटे we're spending packing the orders, putting stickers, talking to you guys, everybody, and I'm planning to become like Santa and send special small things in each order. जो भी order I feel like is, you know, comes from people who watch my videos or anything. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. But if you guys place an order and you are coming from YouTube, please mention it, okay? Please. Because I am telling you, my YouTube people are on priority. आप जैसे ही हमें मैसेज करोगे ना हाय माचा पे, just say that coming from Pianji's YouTube. We will understand. I'll tell the team. Everyone will know, and then you can wait for a surprise. Okay, so I'm putting the card in. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. जिसमें I show my whole day, or do you want me to sit down and gossip with you? Because I'm still figuring out what you guys want. Okay, so this package is ready and to go, and similarly we have packed so many. Touch wood, I'm very blessed. No nazar I want, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting me, and I don't know, you have to try my matcha, and I want you to tell me, you know, कि आपने तो पूरा process देखा. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप मुझे देख के बताओ कि ये सही है, ये सही नहीं है. Like, even if you don't like anything about it, I want to know, you know, like, I want to take the constructive criticism, because this is the first time I'm, you know, like, building something from scratch. So anything and everything you say will be so valuable to me right now. Up, we have to go and shop a little bit, and I'll see you when I'm in my car now. I am so mad right now. तो हर vlog में मेरे को गुस्सा ही आ रखा होता है. But it's because my brother's taken my car. First of all, oh my god, parrots. No. कहाँ गया? Shit. Wait. Hopefully you can see. No, never mind. Yeah. First of all, उसने अपनी खुद की गाड़ी तो ठोक दी, जो मैंने तुम्हें अपनी दिवाली vlog में बताया था. तो अब वो मेरी कार लेके कॉलेज चला गया है, which is so annoying because I have so much work to do, and now मैं मेट्रो से जा रही हूँ. There's nothing bad in that. It's just that I hate it. I hate it so much because मैं 2 साल से नहीं रही हूँ, and now like I have this habit. I can't go anywhere without my car because मेरी पूरी आधी जिंदगी उसमें बसी हुई है. But now we don't have any other option. And Lakshya is waiting for me, and now you'll probably get the whole Delhi experience. Okay, she's there. Bye. Oh, crazy adventure.
देखो ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने टॉर्चर
अंदर घुसते मुझे पान पराठ की स्मेल आना शुरू हो गई.
वो वहाँ से आती थी, वहाँ तो मैं हमेशा अपनी नाक बंद करती रहती हूँ. उसके बाद भी नहीं करती है. मैं 1.5 साल बाद मेरे को बोलने के पहले, और इससे पहले मैं इतना ज़्यादा घर पे झूठ बोल के मेट्रो में ट्रैवल करने आती थी और गाजियाबाद जाती थी 2 hours हो गए.
So it's actually very peaceful, right? हम 15-20 मिनट में पहुँच गए.
आज हो गया मैं हमेशा से इसमें ट्रैवल करती हूँ.
तेरा तो कॉलेज में ही बार
कॉलेज की वजह से ऑलवेज ट्रैवल इसी से, बिकॉज 30 मिनट्स का रास्ता है बस, गाड़ी से 1.5 घंटा.
एक्सपीरियंस. जो भी मेरे को पसंद आ रहा है ना उसमें साइज है, और साइज है तो उसका कलर खराब है, नहीं तो उनके पास फ्रेश पीस नहीं है.
भाई अब क्या कर सकते हैं. मॉन्स्टर ब्लैक एंड टोन
my last hope. This is one thing that I like. It's oversized and I think it's giving vintage Tommy Hilfiger.
खाना खाना
अभी तक मुझे सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ मिल रही है। मैं अपने ब्लॉग में बोल ही सकती हूँ, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि प्रथम मेरे ब्लॉग्स देखता है। मैं actually I'm buying a birthday gift for Pratham, and I wasn't revealing it because I was like, what if he watches it, but he doesn't watch my videos. It's just good only. Number one, मैंने सोचा था कि I was thinking of buying like a Hugo Boss belt for him and you know something nice like that, but they just don't have anything nice. Like there's nothing that I like. और मैं इतनी इरिटेट हो रही हूँ, ऊपर से मतलब हमें 1 घंटा तो हो ही गया है और हमने पूरा मॉल ढूंढ लिया है. जस्ट नथिंग आई लाइक, ज़ीरो कुछ भी. आई वॉन्ट स्लाइड्स फॉर हिम बट आई कांट फाइंड स्लाइड्स ऑल्सो. सो वी आर ईटिंग सम डोनट्स. तो फोटो खींच रहे तो आई कांट ईट राइट. I'm buying this one drink for Pratham. I think this is everlasting. Evergreen. Everlast तो करना ही चाहिए. Good morning. Yesterday, the last thing I shot was at the Jiva store. Forgot to tell you guys, I was vlogging there, so the employee and the worker there saw that I was vlogging and they were like, "Are you a YouTuber?" And I was like, maybe. And then they were like, oh, let me see what I can do. And like ultimately gave me a 10% discount, which was crazy. And they just asked me to post a story of it, and I was like, sure, I'll do that. It's a little funny when people ask me if I'm a YouTuber in public. I'm just like, maybe. They think I'm a silly girl who just likes making videos. First, obviously, I need to brush and all, but before doing that, I need to get on my laptop and I need to put all the orders I got yesterday for shipment because that's very important. Somebody needs to tell me if that's pollution or fog. Like, see how you can't see that building? Yahan se? I think it's fog. We have successfully shipped all our orders जो अभी तक के pending थे, and I am so relieved. And now I just want to chill. I want to celebrate my Saturday and Sunday like how a normal weekend should be celebrated. But this is the comment of the day, guys. We are very close to 2,000 subscribers and I am going to be doing a huge giveaway. जिसमें से I'll be choosing 1 to 3 people. और एक तो मैंने already choose कर लिया है क्योंकि वो already मेरे post पे बहुत ज़्यादा comment करते हैं. And you guys know, all you have to do is follow me here, follow me on my Instagram and now on my Hi Matcha page. If you've done all of this, drop a white comment and I'll understand. But till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye and have a great weekend.